This is Ricky Carmichael, the greatest of all time. He's about to take us on a once-in-a-lifetime ride on the new Triumph 250.
So you know we're at Gatorback Cycle Park to test the Triumph TF 250X. This is actually Diamondback, it's the other track they've got here at this huge facility in Florida. And we're about to go riding with some absolute legends. They're going to show you what this bike's really made of on that massive tabletop there. We've got Ivan Cervantes, Enduro World Champion. We've got the GOAT Ricky Carmichael. We've got Clement Desalle, Jeff Stanton as well. And also, not forgetting Hot Sauce Ivan Tedesco. He's here as well on the number 9, looking as good as ever. Absolute heroes, legends of the sport, all involved in this project, and I'm going to show you what this bike is made of. Let's do it.
Triumph have assembled a seriously impressive lineup of development riders to help them create a properly competitive motorcycle. Triumph say they are all in on dirt bikes, and with these guys on side, they might well be on the way to conquering the off-road world.
Ready? Keep on.
To show us what this new 250 bike is truly made of, Ricky Carmichael and Ivan Tedesco are going to put on a bit of a show for us. So sit back, relax and enjoy as these two former teammates have some fun on the all-new Triumph TF 250X.
to follow. I mean, it just, you get pelted, dude. And he's going so fast, I can't. He's got to slow down.
My full Triumph feature and bike review is online now. In that video, we take a look at the history and heritage of Triumph. I chat in depth with RC about the bike. I get the lowdown from the top minds at Triumph, and of course, I team up with a pro racer friend to ride and review the new bike. Like I say, the full video is online now, and it should be popping up on screen any second for you guys to click and check out. As always guys, my name is Max, this is 999 Laser. Until next time, I'll see you at the track.